Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authenticator for PayPal. First of all, open your PayPal and log in into your PayPal account. And after that, you have to click on the gear or the settings icon on the top right corner. And then you have to go to the security. Click on it. From here, you have to select the option called two-step verification. Click on setup. From here, it will show you two options: use an Authenticator app or use a security key device. I will use an Authenticator app, and then you have to download Microsoft Authenticator either from your iPhone App Store or from Google Play Store on your Android. Open the application, and then you have to scan this QR code from your Microsoft Authenticator application. And then the app will show you a code, and you have to enter the code on this section. After that, you have to confirm. Now you have successfully set up two-step verification or two-factor authentication for PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.